Thank you very much for the kind invitation to participate in today's forum. A special thanks to the AI Cluster Bulgaria for representing our country at this outstanding and thought-provoking event. Let me introduce myself briefly. My name is Eva, and I'm a member of the European Parliament for quite some years already, but not too many, and I have worked extensively in advancing Europe's digital economy. In this house, apart from having the Christmas decoration on, we have worked in advancing the action plan for e-government, in measures to secure our digital infrastructure via the NIS directive, in protecting EU citizens' data via the GDPR, in enabling startups to thrive through easing the crowdfunding possibilities and as well as venture capital. During the next couple of years, we have even a bigger task ahead of us. That is the sustainable and digital recovery of our economies and industries. As a true believer in a way that tech could be used for positive change, I encourage that forums like this one take place not only across EU borders, but also within EU countries. Because we all have a shared goal, and that is to increase the awareness of the benefits that AI, for example, gives to society and economy, and to use AI as a catalyst to the process of digitalization and innovation, where the EU is indeed lagging behind at the moment. The truth is that when we missed already several opportunities when it comes to the digitalization of our economy, we missed, for example, the opportunity created by the previous crisis to change the structure of capital investment in Europe and to increase the share of ICT. We also missed the opportunity of the start of this technological revolution when the main giants were created, when the new services were established. And I think today we have two opportunities at the same time, which we should not miss. The one is created by the economic turbulent times of the current pandemic that is pushing us to change the way the economic model is structured. And the second one is the data and AI breakthroughs that are happening. And this gives us a real chance to be back in the global competition, having in mind that Europe produces big amounts of industrial data, for example. So, understanding and addressing the current challenges faced by businesses will be absolutely key to ensure that Europe realizes this economic potential of AI to its fullest extent. And this is precisely the task of the Special Committee on Artificial Intelligence in the Digital Era and Age, which we set up here in the European Parliament. I'm often found to say that institutions and governments have to step up efforts to digitalize themselves. Otherwise, we risk widening the gap between what we have on the market and what are the market needs and what is the response of the regulators. So the topic of this debate, how can the state be the customer to ignite the AI revolution within the EU, it's spot on. I think that with the Next Generation EU Fund, all countries will have to present national plans for advancing their economies. Nowadays, efficiency and effectiveness of economy is underpinned indeed and exactly by digital solutions. So my appeal to you is to be present at those national debates as well, to take part in public consultations, to be active, to reach out to the respective local or national governments, ask for more digital opportunities, present solutions, cooperate with them, either voluntarily or within a contract-based way. And this is, for example, a way forward when change comes from the grassroots. So thank you very much for listening. And I wish a very meaningful and fruitful discussion, one that would deliver results for our regions, for our member states, and for Europe as a whole. Thank you.